Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Khanmalim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. The Salesian community in the St. Peter Claver province of Bogota celebrated the priestly ordination of Salesian deacon Jonathan Camilo Plaz Bletrunt SDP with great joy. The celebration held on 6 July in the parish of Mary Help of Christians in Mosquera was presided over by Bishop Hector Julio Lopez Hurtado SDP, Bishop Emeritus of Girardot, and was attended by Father John Jairo Gomez Rua, COB Provincial, a large number of Salesians, family members and friends of the new priests. On July 3rd, the rector of the Cardinal Stefan Wyszyński University, UKSW of Warsaw, Professor Ryszard Shekalewski, presented the appointments of the new vice-rectors for the 2024 to 2028 term. Among the nominees is Professor Ryszard Sadowski, a Salesian priest from the province of Pilar, PLN. Father Ryszard Sadowski has been appointed vice-rector for Science and International Cooperation. He has previously been associated with the Faculty of Christian Philosophy at UKSW, where he has held the positions of Head of the Department of Eco-Philosophy and Director of the Institute of Philosophy. The main areas of scientific research of the new Vice-Rector concern the themes of sustainable development, biocultural diversity, cultural ecology, and environmental history. The fourth national meeting of parishes and shrines entrusted to the Salesians took place from 5th to 7th July in the city of Aparecida, SP. The meeting took place in an atmosphere of serenity, generous openness, and attentive listening to the calls of the young people and the people of God. The mission of the priest and the Salesian brother. The meeting provided each parish priest and rector with a vision of Salesian Brazil. The parish priests and young people of the Salesian Youth Movement SYM were able to share some challenges and positive experiences. The meeting program ended with Mass in the Basilica of Our Lady of Aparecida and the sharing of each province. The participants left the meeting loaded with projects to be carried out, especially in parishes and basilicas. On Tuesday, 9 July, the head of the different groups of the Salesian family that make up the Advisory Council for the St. Joseph delegation of the AFC-EST attended a capacity building formation course. The event took place at the Mason Maman Margaret headquarters of the delegation and was attended by the 6 groups of the Salesian family in the AFC-EST Salesians of Don Bosco SDP, Daughters of Mary Help of Christians FMA, Salesian Cooperators ASC, Volunteers of Don Bosco VDB, Past Pupils of Don Bosco PPDB, and the Association of Mary Help of Christians ADMA. The session was led by Father Pascual Chavez, Rector Major Emeritus of the Salesian Congregation, in the presence of Father Guillermo Basanes, Superior of the Salesian Province of Central Africa FC. During the meeting, Father Chavez stressed that the Advisory Council is the body that helps the members of the Salesian family to look in the same direction. On 6 and 7 July, the Provincial House of the Salesians of Bangalore (INK) hosted the gathering of Salesians engaged in practical training and studies. The meeting was designed to inspire and prepare young Salesians for their role in the modern world. The meeting included sessions led by Father Eugene Dixon and Father Bastant Nalarsari, focusing on the Salesian communicator of Generation Z. Through in-depth presentations, they addressed the unique challenges and opportunities in contemporary media communication. A diverse group of over 32 Salesians took an active part in the sessions, which explored the practical skills of the media. Participants appreciated the relevance and applicability of the discussions to their roles. So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.